Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to install fonts on Windows 10. Method 1. Right-click on font file. Choose Install. Method 2. Open font file. Click on Install button. Method 3. Right-click on your desktop. Choose Personalize. From left side menu, choose Fonts. Drag and drop to install. Drag font files from File Explorer your desktop and drop them here to install fonts on your device. Installed font is shown here. Method 4. Go to your C drive. Choose Windows folder. Choose Fonts folder. Copy font. Paste font. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.